Alright, so first things first, you want to get to this checkpoint, which is right outside where you get the invader stuff. So what you're going to want to do is have the Dreamweaver staff equipped, and then run straight this way. Don't worry about killing any mobs, there is no point. So, run this way, hook a left, hook a right, and also if you don't have invader yet, this will unlock it. So you go down here, and run all the way to this, and then tap it. Then you use your magical death skull to take yourself back to the checkpoint. Once you've done that, take yourself back to Ward 13. Effectively, what this does is it's going to take advantage of the world system state. So, use a checkpoint, and you'll see the Corrupted Harbor one stays. Change your game mode to adventure mode, doesn't matter what. Create new adventure mode. Then use your magical spooky orb. It will take you to where you kill the guy for invader. Also, pardon my combat damage here. I'm working on a new build. So, boom, boom. There's the aberration. And really, we're not horribly worried about anything but killing this guy. Don't worry about the ads. If you feel like killing him, you can get some extra Lumenite and whatnot, but there's really no point. So once he's dead, run through and loot. Use your magical death skull. It's going to take you back to Ward 13. And like I said, this is taking advantage of the world state, where essentially if a boss has been killed in the world, it will not spawn. So he's been killed in adventure mode. So what do? Swap back to campaign. Yes, switch your game mode. Go back to your checkpoint. And we're only 3 minutes in, and we've already killed him once, which means you can get about 7 Lumenite fragments every 3 minutes or so. So, just to show that it works, and in the interest of time, I'm just going to shield myself. Notice it's still got the blue fog coming out of it. Same as before, get the Walker's Dream. It's going to take you back to the checkpoint. Use the checkpoint. Return to Ward 13. Reroll your adventure mode. Use your spooky death orb. And wouldn't you know it, there he is again. So you can average about 5 to 7 every 3 minutes or so. So it's a good source of corrupted Lumenite. It's also a good source of Lumenite fragments. If you don't have Invader, it's a great way to go ahead and get Invader. It's good stuff. Good stuff. And like I said, I'm not worried about killing anything but that guy. Then we'll just do a barrel roll right over to here, pick stuff up, and back to Ward 13 we go. I've done this about 4 or 5 times before making this video, if that. And let's take a look at how many I've got. I've got 31 corrupted Lumenite right now. During the video, I got 14. So, yeah, infinitely repeatable. Just go to that checkpoint, do what you would normally do for Invader, but instead of killing the boss in campaign, which I've done, so clearly it still works even if you have, get the Walker's Dream, come back to Ward 13, go to adventure mode, kill the boss there, rinse and repeat.